have been cleaning the kitchen since morning. I had been cleaning the kitchen before you arrived. You have been so helpful lately. You had been helpful before the argument. The kids have been studying hard for their exams. The kids had been studying hard until the power cut. We have been planning this family trip for months. We had been planning the trip before it got canceled. Dad has been fixing the car for hours. Dad had been fixing the car before it started raining. Mom has been baking a cake for the party. Mom had been baking a cake when we ran out of sugar. I have been meaning to talk to you about this. I had been meaning to talk to you but forgot. They have been practicing their dance routine. They had been practicing for weeks before the event. We have been waiting for dinner to be served. We had been waiting for dinner when the lights went out. She has been taking extra classes recently. She had been taking extra classes until the teacher left. I have been feeling tired all day. I had been feeling tired before I drank coffee. You have been working hard this week. You had been working hard before the project ended. The kids have been playing outside for hours. The kids had been playing outside before it started raining. We have been decorating the living room. We had been decorating the room before we changed our minds. Dad has been mowing the lawn. Dad had been mowing the lawn before the mower broke. I have been trying to call you all day. I had been trying to call you before you finally answered. We have been looking for a new TV. We had been looking for a new TV before finding a good deal. He has been reading that book for hours. He had been reading that book before falling asleep. She has been knitting a sweater for her daughter. She had been knitting before her hands started hurting. I have been organizing the closet. I had been organizing the closet before I lost interest. We have been watching a family movie together. We had been watching a movie before the power went out. They have been learning to play the piano. They had been learning piano until the teacher moved away. The dog has been barking all afternoon. The dog had been barking before it got tired. I have been trying to teach the kids good habits. I had been teaching the kids habits until they lost interest. We have been waiting for Mom to come home. We had been waiting for Mom before she called to say she was late. I have been wondering about that for a while. I'd been wondering about that before you explained. The kids have been arguing over the remote control. The kids had been arguing before Dad stepped in. She has been preparing dinner since 6 p.m. She had been preparing dinner when the stove stopped working. We have been exercising as a family every evening. We had been exercising regularly before we got too busy. I have been learning a lot from Dad recently. I had been learning from Dad before he got busy with work. We have been saving money for a vacation. We had been saving money before unexpected expenses arose. He has been helping me with my homework. He had been helping me before he got a phone call. She has been singing that same song all day. She had been singing before her voice gave out. I have been tidying up the playroom. I had been tidying up when the kids messed it up again. They have been playing board games since lunch. They had been playing games before they got bored. We have been hosting guests all weekend. We had been hosting guests before the house got too crowded. I have been watering the plants every morning. I had been watering the plants until the hose broke. You have been complaining about the same thing. You had been complaining until we found a solution. She has been looking for her glasses everywhere. She had been looking for her glasses before finding them on her head. I have been doing laundry for hours. I had been doing laundry before the machine broke. The kids have been waiting for dessert. The kids had been waiting for dessert until it was served. We have been organizing the family photo album. We had been organizing the album before we got distracted. Dad has been working on his car in the garage. Dad had been working on the car before he realized the part was missing. She has been calling her friends all evening. She had been calling her friends before dinner was served. I have been folding clothes all afternoon. I had been folding clothes before the phone rang. We have been enjoying the lovely weather. We had been enjoying the weather before it started raining. He has been playing video games since noon. He had been playing video games before his mom turned it off. She has been feeding the baby. She had been feeding the baby before the baby fell asleep. They have been setting the table for dinner. They had been setting the table when the dishes broke. I have been feeling so proud of you lately. I had been feeling proud of you until you made that mistake. So, did you like the video? Subscribe and help make Fluent Family even happier.